Class 10, lesson number 5, continuation. Social reformers of Tamil Nadu. Ramalinga Swamigal, popularly known as Vallalar. Ramalinga Swamigal or Ramalinga Adigal. 1823 to 1874. He was born in Marudar, a village near Chidambaram. Marudar is a village. He was born in Marudar, a village near Chidambaram. After his father's death, his family moved to the brother's house at Chennai. Despite having no formal education, he gained immense scholarship. Ramalinga emphasized the bonds of responsibility and compassion between living beings. He expressed the view that those who lack compassion for suffering beings are hard-hearted, their wisdom clouded. He showed his compassion and mercy on all living beings, including plants. Compassion means love to all living beings. He showed his compassion and mercy on all living beings, including plants. He served not only for the human beings but also plants and animals. இல்லையா, வாடிய பயிரை கண்டபோதெல்லாம் வாடினேன் என்று சொல்லியிருக்காரு. இதுதான் ஜீவகாருண்யம்ங்கிறது. He showed compassion to all living beings. Compassion means love. He showed compassion to all living beings. That is Jivakarunya. He established the Samarasa Veda Sanmarga Sangam in 1865 and was renamed Samarasa Sutta Sanmarga Satya Sangha. இன்றைக்கும் அது வடலூரில் இருக்குது. Which means Society for Pure Truth in Universal Selfhood. Ramalinga also established a free feeding house for everyone, irrespective of caste, at Vadalur in the wake of a terrible famine in South India in 1866. In 1867 and 66, there was a very fiery famine, terrible famine occurred. That time he opened a free feeding house and for everyone, irrespective of caste. Today also they are doing that. Everyone they are coming over there, they are giving free feeding. His voluminous songs were compiled and published under the title Thiruvarutpa. திருவருட்பான்ற நூலில் இவர் பாடிய பாடல்கள்லாம் தொகுத்து வழங்கப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. திருவருட்பா மீன்ஸ் சாங் ஆஃப் கிரேஸ். See in this picture, ராமலிங்க அடிகள், வடலூர் சத்தியஞான சபா. Ramalinga bore witness to hunger and poverty in the country. I saw poor people emaciated with hunger and terribly weary, going to every house, yet their hunger was not removed, and my heart suffered intensely. Those who suffer with relentless disease, I saw them in front of me, and my heart troubled. I saw those people poor and of unmatched honor, their hearts weary, and I grew weak. That is service to the mankind, is the service to moksha. Whoever suffered, his heart troubled, his heart was suffered. Whoever sufferings. Service to the mankind is the service to moksha. So he is service to the human beings. Jiva, that is Jiva Garunya. Ayothi Dasar. Pandidar Ayothi Dasar, 1845 to 1914, was a radical Tamil scholar and also a writer and a Siddha medicine practitioner and also a great journalist and socio-political activist. He take part in political activities also, social political activities. He was born in Chennai He was fluent in Tamil, English, Sanskrit, and Pali languages. He campaigned for social justice and worked for the emancipation of the untouchables from the caste clutches. He worked for the construction of a casteless identity and castigated caste hegemony and untouchability. He considered education as an important tool for empowerment and became the driving force behind the establishment of several schools for the untouchables in Tamil Nadu. He opened many schools to untouchables in Tamil Nadu. Pandita Ayodhi Dasar founded the Advaita Nanda Sabha to raise a voice from the temple entry of the untouchables. Like Vaikam Veerar, he is also working for temple entry. In 1882, John Rathinam and Ayodhi Dasar established a movement called Dravida Kazhagam and launched a magazine called Dravida Pandian in 1885. He founded Dravida Mahajana Sabha in 1891 and organized the first conference of association at Nilgiris. He started a weekly journal, Oru Paisa Tamilan, in 1907 and published it until his demise in 1914. He started the journal, Oru Paisa Tamilan. What was the journal he started? One word question they'll ask children. Oru Paisa Tamilan, a journal started by Ayodhi Dasar. That's all today's class, children. This lesson is over. Mark the question and answers and objectives. I'll give it to you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching.